welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Clay and Pizza Clay. Remember in my recent video, I showed you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make this water squeeze. So you need a water bottle, of course. Empty that water bottle if you have not. Come follow me, and I'm going to pick my paint. So let's go pick a paint. Should I make a purple? That was a pink one. Let's make a purple one. Now let's go ahead and grab a water bottle. Got water bottle right here with a little bit of water. We're gonna just rinse that off and I'm gonna put this in it. So I'm gonna come back from the bathroom. So come back. Okay guys, I'm back. Don't know what that was from, but okay. First step, if this is not been your water bottle and you don't know what it is, just wipe it off. You always say and rinse the cap. Okay. Now, if you have water, dump that water out because I have to put the paint first. Grab some of your paint, just drop how much you want in there. I put a little bit. And for this color, now you add water. So I'm gonna add some water to here, like to here, if you guys can see, to here. And then twist it very good. Before you shake it, take off the wrapper. Like so. Now, go like this to check if your water is okay to shake. Shake it now. Now I'm going to show you guys it's pretty dark. So if you guys want a dark color, here you go. This is how dark it turned. Now you open your bottle. Grab any type of soap you have. I have this soap. I'm not going to show my face because I can't show you my face right now. Even though it just went like that. Put 5 pumps. I already put 2. 3. 4, 5. Grabbed it and shake it up. And I have to go to class then, so I'm just gonna hurry end this video. Now you're gonna squeeze that to the top, and then you guys are done. Okay, bye.